We are cooking an easy breakfast egg recipe. Today, on Grandma Bessie's house, we are making our fast and simple Thai-inspired breakfast egg wraps. The recipe and its ingredients are in the video's description. Crack and add eggs to a large bowl. Pour in cream, and soy sauce. Whisk to combine. And set aside. Take a second to like and share this simple egg recipe. Check out our channel for other culturally inspired dishes. Also, subscribe and click on notifications to know when we release new videos. Finely chop green onions. In a separate bowl, add chili garlic sauce, harissa, and the green onions. Whisk ingredients into a paste. Over medium heat, spray a skillet with nonstick spray and add butter. Once melted, pour 1/4 of the egg mixture into the skillet. Tilt to coat the bottom of the skillet. Cook until set. And remove the egg from the skillet. What cultures inspire some of your food choices? Tell us. Comment below the video. Repeat 3 times. Until all of the egg mixture is cooked. For each egg, spread paste over half of the egg. Spread green curry paste over the other half of the egg. Chop cilantro. And sprinkle over the egg. If you have enjoyed this Thai-inspired breakfast recipe, like and share it. Also, subscribe below. This small act helps our channel grow. Roll each egg tightly. Cut each egg in half and diagonally on each end. Serve immediately and garnish with cilantro. Thank you for watching another episode of Grandma Bessie's House.